aircraft carrier symbolizes industrial strength.
Looking at the construction of an aircraft carrier from the outside looks magnificent, but what's going on the inside is really spectacular.
To be a part of one of the best companies to actually produce quality ships for the Navy, I'm proud to be a part of the program and to do what I do best every day, and that's to build great ships. We are the best at what we do. They depend on our skills, our knowledge to go out here and be able to use our carriers as warships for our country. Not only that, it's for supplies, it's for recovering aircraft, so the carrier is built and designed to do amazing things.
The supply base that we have is important to us, being strung across the entire country and all the different suppliers that we have coming from 48 different states, and their quality of their product is reflected in the quality of this product.
One of the outstanding things that I've seen with our suppliers is that they really want to supply us with a good quality product. They really need to get with our supply chain and see how we're transforming our business to the digital age and see the things that we're doing so they can adapt their processes and their procedures and the way they build their things to the way we build ours to be more compatible.
Being able to have things on time that are right the first time are what make us successful down here on the deck plate.
I've been working with Newport News Shipbuilding since I started 11 years ago. We consider ourselves a supplier partner, so we feel that it is our job to make sure that we are providing compliant product to Newport News Shipbuilding. First-time conformance, on-time delivery at a fair price. That's kind of our motto, and feel that goes hand in hand with what Newport News Shipbuilding, emulates and wants from their supply base. And if it comes through the fastener group, we're going to provide it for you. Anything from a lock washer to a hexagon cap screw to a spring.
I'm an inside sales account representative working specifically with Newport News Shipbuilding. I work with RFQs, so doing quoting, also working with suppliers to come up with solutions, and then also working with different reports and expediting and things of that nature to keep Newport News up to speed on the product that we're supplying them.
The LC Doan Company was started in 1947. Every aircraft carrier built has LC Doan lighting on it. Lighting fixtures in this facility come in raw material at one end of the building, made out of aluminum mostly, and they're fabricated and fully assembled here, and finished product out the door. So it's a full turnkey operation. It's an honor, really, to be allowed to support the construction of Navy ships, and we're very proud of it here.
The two-ship buy is a proven way of achieving savings and maintaining a healthy industrial base. This contract is critically important for the Navy the nation needs.
So this two-ship buy, it's huge for our company, right? It's a big deal, but I look at it for the community, I look at it for future shipbuilders. Every shipbuilder in the shipyard now, the sky's the limit for them during the start of 80 till the completion of 81, because we'll have ships stacked up behind that.
It's work that we're going to have for a long future, and it'll allow us to go out and procure material and order material quicker.
The real advantage of the two-ship contract is driving stability into not just the Newport News workforce, but really when you think about 2,000 suppliers across the nation, for those businesses to know that we're going to be procuring material that supports two carriers, that's critical.
CVN 80 and 81 may be my baby here at the company, so I'm excited for the rollout and to support the initiative.
An aircraft carrier is a substantial amount of work, and it keeps us busy and keeps all of our suppliers busy. Supporting 90 families in southeastern Connecticut here at LC Doan Company is very important to me. Knowing that that work is in the future is something that gives us great satisfaction.